So you want to be an SBO and you have to make a video to tell the school all about you. Okay, there's a lot of things that go into making a video, but the easiest thing to do is to just do it in one take and then bring me that video. Here are a couple things that might be useful as you make that video. First of all, make sure that your lighting's okay. So if you film yourself against a big bright window, it kind of makes yourself look a little bit darker and it might not look so good. So make sure that you are bright and you are easily seen. Don't film like this. If I film like this, then I get these black bars and everybody's gonna watch this on a screen in front of their Den class, like it's gonna be shown in Den, and the screens are all this way. So make sure that you film it wide or horizontally. And another great thing to do is to actually have somebody help you out. So if I was to walk over here and be like, hey Alex, do you mind film this for me? Yeah. Here, grab that. So if you have somebody film it for you, then you can move around, you can interact and get closer, farther away, and just be you. Sell your personality. Tell us what things you are going to do for the student body at Granite Park so that students know more about like who you are. And that's who they're voting for. They're voting for you. My last advice, ladies and gentlemen, is just to do it 100 times. Film it, watch it. If you don't like it, film it again. If you don't like it, film it again. And if you still don't like it, film it again. Until you like what you've got, come and bring it to me and we'll put it up on the announcements. Thanks, Grizzlies.